So I want to change the oil on my Craftsman wheeled string trimmer. Has a Briggs & Stratton 6.0 vertical shaft engine on it. The oil is not looking so hot. Although I've seen worse. I just want to change it. As far as I can tell, it does not have a drain plug hole. So I looked up online and basically just dumped the oil out of the oil fill spot. If you turn this thing on its side and it has a lot of gas in the tank, gas gets everywhere. Ask me how I know. So my plan is to dump it into a oil drain container there and then fill it back up. I just ran all the gas out of it, which took forever. But I think I want to put new oil in it and put it away for the winter, so here we go. Alright, let's see if we can dump this thing out without making too big of a mess. I guess if no oil comes out, the thing was low and it's hard to tell exactly how full it was. Or you haven't got the right part down yet. There we go. I got this on a table to kind of make it easier on myself so I'm not having to work on the ground and whatnot. It looks like you kind of got to work it back and forth to find the right angle. Sure, like a small engine fix-it place, they got a better way than this. That's probably good. I don't think it has an oil filter like a car, so you do the oil, you're done. Easy as that. And I'm going to let it sit here for a while so that the oil that's in the fill tube isn't all stuck to the sides of it and messes up your reading. And then we'll fill it up until it says the correct amount on the gauge. Okay, now that I think it's sat for a while, I'm going to put some oil in it. SAE 5W30. I think it's not exactly the right kind, but I guess I don't care. And I don't know if you know about oil. Do not pour it this way, because when the air hits this point, a whole bunch can come out. So you got to do it upside down. It's like a My dad was in the army in Germany during the Vietnam War, and they had a trick that they would play on the new guys who got sent to Germany. They go out to a bar and they'd have a glass shaped like a boot, and if you drink it with the toe pointed up, as soon as that air got past that certain point, the whole bunch of beer would come out and spill on your face. So you got to drink it with the toe pointed down. And so that's the same idea with oil cans. And then there's oil in the fill tube. It makes it hard to tell how much you got, so probably gonna have to let it sit some more. Yep. Okay, the oil has subsided, and I can tell when I put the gauge in all the way and twist it how it will be, but I need to add a little bit more. I think everyone gets that idea, so I'll just do that off camera. So that's how you do it.